Nature is beautiful, but sometimes nature becomes terrifying. Across our planet, there are natural phenomena so powerful, so sudden, and so destructive that even modern science struggles to fully control them. They strike without warning, they reshape landscapes. And in just minutes, they can take countless lives. When we think of natural disasters, most people immediately think of earthquakes, tsunamis, or hurricanes. But the truth is, Earth hides many more deadly forces, some less famous, yet just as dangerous. So how do these disasters form? Why do they happen? And what is humanity doing to survive them? Let's find out! Whirlpools, the ocean's hidden traps. Few natural phenomena inspire as much fear as giant whirlpools. A whirlpool is a rotating body of water that forms when opposing currents collide or when water forced through narrow passages. Some are small and harmless, others are massive, with diameters reaching tens of meters. Powerful whirlpools can drag boats, debris, and even large ships into their spinning cores. The most dangerous whirlpools form in oceans in narrow straits, near river mouths around underwater obstacles. If caught in a whirlpool, the safest strategy is not to fight the current directly, but to move toward the outer edge rather than the center, where the pull is strongest. Landslides when the Earth collapses. Landslides are among the most destructive geological disasters on Earth. They occur when massive amounts of soil, rock, and debris suddenly slide down mountainsides, hills, or steep slopes, often at terrifying speeds. Entire villages can be buried in seconds. Landslides can happen almost anywhere. In mountains, forests, cities, and even residential areas. Their main triggers include heavy rainfall, rapid snowmelt earthquakes, volcanic activity, dam failures. Water weakens the bonds holding soil and rock together. Tree roots lose their grip, and gravity does the rest. In recent years, human activity has made landslides far more frequent. Deforestation, uncontrolled construction, mining, and urban expansion all destabilize natural terrain. Combined with stronger storms and climate change, landslides are becoming more dangerous every year. Hailstorms, ice falling from the sky. Hailstorms may look harmless from a distance, but they can be deadly. Hail forms when powerful updrafts inside thunderstorms lift water droplets high into freezing air. These droplets freeze, fall, and are lifted again, growing larger with each cycle. Some hailstones are small, others can be as large as baseballs or even fists. Hailstorms can destroy crops, shatter windows, crush vehicles, injure or kill people and animals. They often occur in mountainous or coastal regions, but can strike almost anywhere under extreme weather conditions. When hail falls, finding shelter immediately can be the difference between life and death. Tsunamis, the ocean's ultimate weapon. Tsunamis are among the most devastating natural disasters in human history. They are not ordinary waves. They are massive walls of water created when enormous volumes of ocean water are suddenly displaced. Common causes include underwater earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, landslides beneath the sea, meteor impacts. In deep water, tsunamis move at incredible speeds, sometimes faster than jet aircraft. As they approach shallow coastlines, their height increases dramatically. Some tsunamis have reached heights of over 100 meters, wiping entire coastlines off the map. Thanks to modern science, early warning systems now help detect tsunamis before they strike, giving coastal populations precious time to evacuate. Waterspouts, tornadoes over the sea. A waterspout is essentially a tornado that forms over water. These towering columns of spinning air and water can rise suddenly from the ocean surface, even during relatively calm weather. Waterspouts are incredibly dangerous to boats and ships. They can lift vessels, overturn them, or slam them into the sea with immense force. Because waterspouts can form quickly and unpredictably, sailors are advised to keep their distance at all costs. Fire tornadoes when flames begin to spin. Fire tornadoes, also known as fire whirls, are rare but terrifying. They form when intense heat from wildfires creates strong upward air currents. If conditions are right, these currents begin to rotate, forming a vertical vortex of fire. Fire tornadoes can reach heights of 10 to 50 meters, move rapidly and unpredictably, spread flames across vast areas. Their extreme heat and powerful winds make them nearly impossible to control. Most fire tornadoes last only minutes, which makes capturing them on camera extremely difficult, but their destruction can be enormous. Acid rain, a disaster we created. Unlike most natural disasters, acid rain is largely caused by human activity. It forms when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides from factories, vehicles, and power plants mix with moisture in the atmosphere. Acid rain can damage forests and crops, poison lakes and rivers, erode buildings and monuments, harm human health. While volcanoes and wildfires can contribute naturally, industrial pollution remains the primary cause. Volcanic eruptions, Earth's inner fury. Volcanic eruptions occur when magma, gas, and ash escape from deep within Earth's crust. Magma can reach temperatures exceeding 10 degrees Celsius as it flows down slopes, destroying everything in its path: homes, forests, and entire towns. Not all eruptions are catastrophic. Many volcanoes release lava slowly and steadily, allowing nearby populations to evacuate safely. However, major eruptions can trigger pyroclastic flows, toxic gas clouds, ashfall covering entire regions. Despite their danger, volcanoes also create fertile land, which is why millions of people continue to live near them. Earth's natural disasters remind us of a simple truth. No matter how advanced our technology becomes, we are still vulnerable to the forces of nature. Today, science allows us to predict many disasters earlier than ever before, saving millions of lives. But technology alone is not enough. Awareness, preparation, and respect for nature are just as important. If humanity learns to live responsibly with the planet, we may reduce the impact of future disasters. Until then, nature remains the ultimate power.